Just remember now, the Lord.
I'm so overwhelmed because of the type of love you have for me. Because you know how much I love this my child and I love my members. That's why you don't want me to cry again. You revealed to me through your servant, Prophet Joy Awoka, all the way from overseas, called me on the phone. Never known this girl before. She called me early morning and said, Papa, I know you're preparing for service, but who is your daughter called Ozioma that wants to travel? She described her and said to me, pray against death and anoint her now. Lord, I thank you for I want to do as commanded. Lord, let death be lifted out of this girl's life. In any manner, in any form, in any shape. The devices that he wants to use will not work. In the mighty name of Jesus, I anoint her and I put a mark of long life. Long life without sickness, without diseases. You will not die prematurely by any means.
Lift up your hands wherever you are to him.
Over this land issue in your place that has to do with your government, I speak a release to you.
Amen.
And I command that land to be approved, and I speak that all that are staying in that ground be chased out now.
Amen.
Jesus, name I pray.
Wave your hands to him. Don't allow your hands to get tired in waving. Akaya, Akaya. I got you. Everybody open your mouth and sing this. Lift up your hands to him. Forget about your troubles and forget about anything.
Yeah, okay. I want to separate you from your mother. Your mother, what are life? When a man marries, he should divorce his mother. You're talking to
Yes, sir.
divorce your mother. They say hate your mother and marry your wife. Did you hear me?
I did.
No. Face your wife. Oh yeah. Say, I hereby today
I hereby today
divorce my mother as my lovely wedded wife.
wedded wife.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Put the microphone in your mouth. Say, I hereby today fall in love with your mother.
Fall in love with your mom, with your mother.
I take your mother now
I take your mother now
because you've divorced her.
because you divorced her.
I receive her now
I receive her now.
in the name of
In
Jesus.
the name of Jesus.
You understand the prayer? Am I in order?
Yes, Lord.
My joy has to be. And so, Lord, today, I, Evangelist Ugo Wems, I release to them children, 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 come to them, and it is done. That which God has done for them, He has done the same thing for you. Go back to your seat. The eyes of a righteous king drives away evil. Don't bend down again, woman. Look at my face. Just looking at my face. Two of you look at my face. If I be a man of God, which I know that I am, I speak to the baby in the womb. You shall be delivered.
Amen.
Funny enough, two boys are standing before me. Two boys. Fear no more.
Amen.
You will deliver safely.
Amen.
Listen to me. In our church in Enugu, don't cry, lady. Okay? Don't cry. You're going to deliver safely. Mark my word. If you don't deliver safely, I tell Bible and stop preaching. I heard from God. In our church in Enugu, I drove in from a crusade and I came to church, mounted the pulpit. As I was preaching, about to close, I looked at the lady and said, Madam, why are you crying? The woman said, I'm not crying. I said, Madam, you're crying. She said, I'm not crying. I continued preaching. As I was talking about, I said, Madam, why are you crying? She said, Man of God, you're embarrassing me. I'm not crying. And I continued. When I was about to close, I turned back, I looked at her, I said, who is Destiny, Madam? He said, Destiny is my husband. I said, really? I said, who is Destiny Junior? He said, it's my son. I said, where are they? He said, they are dead. I said, okay. How many of you were in church that day?
Yes, sir.
And I looked at the woman. I said, you have a sister. She's been pregnant for 13 solid months. And as I'm talking to you now, she's in the hospital. And ladies and gentlemen, it happened to be the hospital of somebody that is from this town, from Umoriei, Dr. Kezi. So find out from Dr. Kezi.
Jesus, you are of your presence. We, your temple,